Hi everyone, Guru here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very serious story to share about this watch. The Apple Watch Series 10 Cellular in Jet Black. It's a 42mm in size. Now, before I start, I want to tell you why I am making this video today. I know that the new Series 11 also comes in the same jet black finish. Since both Series 10 and Series 11 have exact same glossy color, this warning applies to the both models. So if you are planning to buy the Series 10 or the latest Series 11 in jet black, please listen to my story first. Look at this finish. It looks beautiful. It is glossy. It looks like a liquid metal. For the looking aspect, I really love it, but do not buy this color. I learned this the hard way. After just 3 to 4 months of use, the paint started peeling off. Let me tell you exactly what happened. I bought this watch last year. For 4 months of use, I wanted to keep it safe. So I did what most people do. I put a case on it. I used hard fiber plastic case. Here's the culprit. That was my biggest mistake. This jet black glossy finish is very sensitive. If you put hard plastic case on it, dust gets trapped inside or the case rubs against the body. Slowly the paint just started chipping away. When I looked at the case off to clean it, I was shocked. Color was peeling. I really don't know what to do. I wasn't sure whether this comes under warranty or not, so I kept using it for a few months. One day I decided to take it to the Apple Service Center in Hebbal, the Mall of Asia that is recently opened. I have left with only 1 month of warranty. Let's check my luck. The next day I visited to the Apple store. I gave the watch to the Genius Bar team. They checked it and said they would replace it. I waited for 10 days. Finally I got the mail, watch is ready to pick up. Now, honestly, I was hoping they would give me a silver one or any other color apart from jet black. When I was giving the watch, they mentioned that I'll get a different finish, not the same one. I'm done with this jet black. I knew it peels easily, but when they handed over the box, it was the same jet black color. I was actually disappointed. I asked them, why did I get the same color? Can't you give me silver one? Any other matte options? They said no, they'll only replace it with the same exact model with the same finish. So I was standing there with a brand new watch, but with a disappointed face. Seeing my disappointed face, the staff gave me 2 options. Trade this replacement watch and buy a new Series 11, or option to keep this watch and buy the AppleCare Plus. I asked the trade-in value. Now listen to this math, because it is crazy. I had received an email from the Apple saying that the cost of the replacement watch without warranty is $33,000. But when I asked for the trading value of this brand new replacement unit, they offered me only $18,000. I was shocked. Replace value is $33,000, but trading value is only $18,000. My immediate answer was no. This is a huge loss. So I looked at the option 2. My original warranty was going to expire in just 2 weeks. But since this was a replacement unit, they allowed me to buy an AppleCare Plus. It cost me $7,900, but it extends my warranty for 2 full years. I decided to pay the $7,900. Now, even if this sensitive paint peels again, I can get unlimited replacements. So that is why I'm making this video. Whether you are looking at the Series 10 or the new Series 11, remember they both have this jet black finish and they both have the same problem. My advice is do not buy this jet black color. Honestly, it looks great, but it is not durable. Go for silver or any other finishes. But if you already have this watch, please throw away your hard plastic cases immediately. I hope this story saves you some money and frustration and time. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.